Hey St. Jude runners, you know what time it is. It's time for another unboxing. This time, I've got this big box. Let's check out what's in it right after this. Runners, thanks for joining me once again on my channel. As I alluded to in the intro to this video, I have a new box that came in the mail today. Picked it up and I'm excited to share this unboxing with you. I was looking for a pair of shoes to replace my Doc Martens that I wear at the office on a daily basis. They're heavy, they are very protective, anti-slip, but they are quite heavy. And they go against a lot of what I need in my minimalist footwear choices. As you know from watching some of the other videos that I've posted, I wear Ultras as a nice running shoe around town, and I wear V-Rim 5 Fingers at any time that I can as my go-to running shoe, sports shoe, and even just travel shoe. They're great to wear around and not have to worry about my toes being crunched on the inside. So I checked out some other minimalist footwear companies that are out there and got a lot of good reviews and a lot of references to this company, which I'm going to share with you now. I picked these shoes up from Lems. They're out of Boulder, Colorado. You can go to their website and pick up right now. If you're watching this video here in the next couple of days, they do have a President's Day sale. I picked up two pairs of shoes, this one and another one that I will review later, for 30% off. So if you watch, they have sales quite occasionally. So these are Lems. They are out of Boulder, Colorado. It comes in a nice box. I picked these up in the 11.5 in US size. These are their corduroy chukka shoes, and these are in the green Kush color. I've never had chukkas before, so I figured I would give them a try. They do have some canvas ones and some suede ones as well, but I figured I would get something a little different. So unboxing this and opening to the inside, it says, instead of trying to create the next footwear fad, we dedicated ourselves to designing with the foot in mind above all else. Everything we do is done with intention, and we will never stop our endless exploration to keep our feet happy and healthy every step of the way. Lems. So they come wrapped in this nice branded paper, and so now we get to see the shoes. So these are in the green Kush color. In the 11.5, I decided I'm usually between 11.5 and a 12, usually a 45 in a 5 finger, so that kind of goes right in between there. But these are the green Kush chukkas. They have a very nice wide toe box here, very similar to an Ultra toe box. They have the nice corduroy feel to them. I'm going to probably waterproof this a little bit with some waterproofing spray just to make sure that I don't get any seep through on them. Nice 3-eye lacing system with some fat laces here. They have the nice brass eyelets along there so that they don't just rip out. It does have, let me pull this little cardboard piece out of here. So there's the other side. Has a nice pull on the back side of it. So you got that heel pull, and it's a good sturdy heel pull. It's got a little bit of grip on the inside of it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a little bit of grip there. So looking on the inside, let me see if I can get that there. On the inside is the Lems brand outsole or insole. It also has the nice plaid look on the inside of there. So the lining on these is 90% polyester and 10% spandex. The upper is corduroy. The footbed of it is a 3.5 millimeter moisture wicking, and it's removable insole. So it's nothing. These have an overall drop of 0, which is what I look for in a lot of minimalist shoes. That's what the inside looks like without the insole in it. And then these weigh together in a size 10, they weigh about 10.2 ounces. So, and that's coming directly from their website. So these are extremely light. These are comparable to my 5 fingers in how much they weigh. The insole or the outsole is pretty flexible. It's not as flexible as like a 5 finger or something like that, but it's about comparable to an Ultra maybe. Maybe some Ultra Escalantes, about the same. But I imagine once I get wearing these are brand new, they'll get a little bit more flexible. So they do have wonderful, nice stitching along the collar. They have the little tag for Lems there on this side. These, I think, will work perfectly for the office. Give me a little bit of flair and a little bit of comfort, but they're also super light. I do like the fact of how light they are. So if you get a chance, go out and pick yourself up a pair of Lems. These, again, are the Lems Chukkas in corduroy. They have canvas as well, and they have these in suede. And you can pick those up and check them out for yourself. Go to Lems and get a pair. I will do another review or another unboxing of the other pair that I bought later on, probably this week, and then I'll put links to both of these in there, so you can check those out on my playlist of the StJudeRnr reviews playlist. So check those out. If you have any questions, leave me a message down in the comments below. If you like this video and want to see more unboxings, give me a thumbs up. And I look forward to sharing more of these unboxings with you in the future as I get other items in that I think will work for you just like I think they'll work for me. I appreciate you joining me today on the StJudeRnr channel, and look forward to sharing more of these with you in the future. Go out and get your miles in.